Hello everyone, this is Dr. Athar Mansoor from Tracks. Today I am going to share with you 3 words of vocabulary which you can use in your IELTS writing task 1 or task 2. So the first word for today is sleet. The spellings are S-L-E-E-T or S-L-E-E-T. What do you think can be the meaning of the word sleet? The meaning is frozen or partly frozen rain. You can use it in a sentence like this. The conditions were damp and foggy after the morning sleet. Now I move on to the second word, which is psychrophilic. The spellings are Psyrophilic. What do you think can be the meaning of the word psychrophilic? The meaning is thriving in low temperatures. You can construct a sentence like this one. The bacteria which were psychrophilic grew quickly once refrigerated. Now I move on to the third word for today, which is Horfrost. The word Horfrost is spelled Horfrost. Guess the meaning of the word Horfrost. The meaning is ice crystals formed on the ground when the temperature falls below freezing. You can construct a sentence like this. Ali enjoyed walking through the hoarfrost on the lawn. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more vocabulary and join Tracks.